Welcome to Thumbnail Video Reviews. He's had too much caffeine with a lack of sleep. With his ADHD, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome to another Thumbnails video build things, I guess. Devastator here is holding up the box. Let's get down to some actual fun stuff. I'm going to try to do this more often, but here we go. DK-70. Apparently 71, 72, 73 are on their way. I don't know how true that is, but hey, 70 showed up. This is part of DnA's design for each character. And 73 is going to give you a new head, which is IDW inspired when Prowl takes over Devastator. Not interested in the head. I want the hands. That's about where Titan class Devastator would come. So he's no Titan class, thank God, because better articulation. Yes, this is based on that. Better articulation. Plain and simple, because let me tell you, it needed it. Now, without further ado, we're going to take a look at the box. Really quickly. We're going to look what's inside it. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. I'm sorry. I'm going to have your arm and your leg. Things is expensive, like it costs an arm and a... Sure. Anyway. So that's the back of the box. 2 gold horns. Bonecrusher's new feet. Waist piece. It's going to be interesting. Arms. There are 2 weapons. Leg filler, feet filler, forearm filler, and not 100% sure exactly where those are going, but we're going to get to that. Side of the box, DK-70 Wrap Crusher upgrade kit. Sure. And there we go. That is the box. But you got the horns in purple. Cool. They give you a pin and a pin knocker outer. Everything is in here. We're going in here, and you see this longer and shorter. Longer, shorter. So this should just press fit. Doesn't say anything about glue. So we're gonna just... That friction's nice. Before, after, right there. Chubby stuff on the bottom. Like right here, you've got this like thin track on the outside, where this thin walled piece right here is going to run right along that thin track there. And then this whole section with this little bit of a thicker line right here is going to run right into this area here, which has got that little bit of that lip. Hide better. I kind of like that. Big ol' hollow space dollar billa real estate back here. This here, these prongs or rails or whatever, it's going to run along the side of that. That little cutout right here in the bottom corner is going to run right there. That should just fit right in there. It just slid in there. It didn't feel super tight, but it's not going to fall out, so that's how we're just going to just press fit that little bitch on there. All right. Looks like an angry face. Tell me I'm wrong. Tentakill? Anyone? No? All right. Maybe it's just me. Now we got my boy, Bonecrusher. Point the toe down. And just plug it in. Okay. Pull off, put on. Okay. Oh, that's original arm. Let's compare original to new. Boom. The original one just tucked away and looked like that. Poopy. Open and fold in. Oh, and his hand matches where that hole is. Arm differences. So, ta-da! He has 2 different bugles to play with. One last thing to do. Figure this thing out. No sooner than I got 2 whacks in, their pin knocker outer bent. Slide down, but that goes down in front of his doodleberry. Fold, fold those up. Clip that in his chest. Fold it up, and now a waist joint. Without having to pop the chest off. That's great. Everything tabs in normally. The spacers are right there. The fillers are right there and right there. On the bottom, perfectly filled. He doochie-doos just fine. Let's see about Bonecrusher. So, sadly, we're going to have to do a couple of things differently. We're going to have to take this off, which we'll attach that last. Take these booties off. Parts form. Shut up. I don't care about parts forming. Parts forming is what Devastator did originally. And considering what this kit does before, because you're still dealing with the same elbow parts, you gotta flex it down a level. Pop that in. Now you got 2 different holes for 2 different weapons. The way the hands are, gotta make sure that the hands are perfectly straight in that hole. So you can take the gun, plug it in. We take this, open this, open this, open this, open this. Oh, there we go. Perfect. That weird shape right there looks like a slice of pizza. It's going to go into that hole right at the top. Swoop. A generous squeeze. Devastator and everybody back together again. And there's nothing different with Bonecrusher as an arm, really. It's just that the placement of where these are going to go. These are going to go back here. I'm going to just put these together just like that. Right over that nub. And that nub. Push up against these little 2 tabs that go into the side of the cab. I'm excited for a lot of the stuff that's coming out for, or that came out for Studio Series Devastator. Replacing the pin for the bucket to give him his waist joint back. It's a plus, but it's a pain in the arse. Knockout pin thing broke on me. Tried to straighten it out after it bent. It snapped the longer arm with the hands that actually fold out. Great. The covers for Scrapper's wrists. Okay, cool. I like it. The covers for his feet. Absolutely nice. It actually makes the back of Devastator look a little bit more clean and less hollow. New feet for Bonecrusher, a plus. The effect that it has on his vehicle mode, negligible. It just gives him a boot. However, the heal effect in Devastator is dog shit. Next video is going to be pretty interesting. I love y'all. I love your faces. Peace.